to identify the outlet, just to be sure that you have the correct cord cap. For the Model 35s, this electrical service consists of 3 current carrying conductors, a neutral, L1 and L2, and a separate conductor for earth ground. So that would be right up here. See if I can highlight it for you. That would be right in here. You have your L1, your neutral in the middle, and your L2. And then you can notice the color coding. The L2 is red, the neutral will be white, and your L1 will be black. And that's where your power wires would get connected to. And then here you have your earth ground. The full version of this video is located on our website, on our training members portal. Please go to the website listed above, sign up to become a training member, and you can see the full version of this video. Thank you very much. I thank you for watching.